And a Martinsville woman is quarantining after she says she called the Morgan County Health Department and found out she tested positive for the coronavirus. Here's the bizarre part of the story. She says she was waiting on test results, but no one ever contacted her. WRTV's Troy Washington explains what Hoosiers should do if you find yourself in a similar scenario.
Just kind of like in a state of denial, why no one notified.
Kathy Thorpe is a retired nurse, but she's back helping out on the front lines inside of hospitals. That was the case before she picked up the phone a few days ago, called the Morgan County Health Department, and found out she had COVID-19.
So I called the health department, and one of the nurses gets on the phone, and I told her, I hadn't gotten any results, had nothing. So she looks it up. She goes, "Well, you're positive." I was like, "What?" And I was nice to her, but I kept saying, I just can't believe this.
She took the test last week at the Morgan County Fairgrounds, then waited patiently to find out if she was positive. She almost assumed she was in the clear when no one got in touch with her. Now she's upset because she thought for sure if she was positive, someone would have let her know it.
I have no symptoms of anything. I don't feel sick, nothing.
WRTV reached out to the Morgan County Health Department. They tell us it's not uncommon for some people not to receive their results, even if they are positive, but those who take the test should reach out to them if they don't hear anything back, instead of assuming no response means negative.
People are dying from this stuff. I know accidents happen. This is a pandemic. You don't have airs like that could affect, like I said, hundreds of people that have been around.
Thorpe doesn't necessarily agree with that approach, but wants to make sure Hoosiers aren't waiting around for results.
This is serious, not just down here in Martinsville. I know it's had to happen in other places too. And it really scares me because this is something that can happen. It's an error, it's a mistake.
Working for you, Troy Washington, WRTV.
Morgan County is one of the areas trying to decrease their number of COVID-19 cases to leave the red category in our state. That's the most serious level. Their positivity rate is currently at 15.6%.